Goats are all excited. Something new and different. Good morning, this is Tom. Well, it's not morning, it's afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We got put back into the deep freeze. It's about 1 in the afternoon and it looks like 9 degrees there. We had some warmer temperatures for a while because we had lots of snowstorms coming in, and the temperatures was warmer. But last night we had clear skies and dropped us back into the sub-zero temperatures. It was -2 this morning when we got up and went out to do chores. So I've got a project here today I got to get done on the homestead instead of mechanicking. Got snow hanging up on the roof here. So I'm in the wood shop and you can see this floor with the warmer temperatures that we had last week. I've got snow melting and it is stacking up in here on this floor. So I'll show you here what the problem is. This is going out into the loafing shed for the goats, and this is all ice right here. This is just a little alleyway that we have here. And in here is the milking parlor when we have a doe that we're milking. Right now we're not doing any milking. So here's my problem. All the snow has come off the roof here, and you can see how high it's built up here. This level out here, getting photobombed here by Spock. Say hi, Spock. So we've got the snow built out here. This section out here in the summer, just the ground level is a lot lower than the level here inside the barn. But with that snow build up there, as it tries to start melting this spring, that water's coming into the barn because this is built up more out here. There's quite a pile of snow there that's come off the roof. So anyway, I'm going to have to try to open some gates here and get through the gates. You can see I got to get through this gate. The bottom of it is under the snow level. And if I can get the Bobcat in here, I want to clean up as much as I can with this snow so that as we get the melt going here, the water will run out into the cow's krill there instead of back into the barn. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. Just come along for the ride. Well, mission accomplished here. You can see I got that ice dam out of there, and all the water is going to be able to drain away from the loafing shed now. And in here where this is so icy, that's broke through now to the outside, so when this melts here, it'll just drain out here. You can see already there's some water seeping out from underneath all that hay, and then it'll just drain right out there and eventually out into the corral. Without the snow, this is all a little bit higher than the level of the corral, so it runs that way naturally. So that's where we're at with this project. Appreciate you guys watching, and please like and subscribe.